promise I'm not going to take too long on this whole setup thing, but we're just going to go right through everything, give you guys basic information. I'm going to give you guys price points, all that stuff, and again, all of these things will be linked down in the description below, so make sure you guys go check that out, alright? So we're going to start off with the monitors. So I've got two Asus monitors right here. These both go for about $200. I think the final, literally I think it's $200 exactly, $200 for both of these guys. So we got two monitors. These are perfect. I think they're only 75 hertz. I do need to upgrade those to 144 hertz, but for now that's what I'm rocking. 75 hertz, both monitors. Got a vertical one. This is for reading chat and all that kind of good stuff, for watching streams, all that side stuff. This is meant for just gaming right here, editing, that kind of stuff. On to the next most important thing, the Stream Deck. This thing is amazing, guys. I'm not even lying when I say this. This could potentially be the most important part of my stream. This is how I switch scenes. I can clip things. I can do so many different things. Sub chat, slow chat, play an ad, emote chat, all that kind of stuff. See how many viewers I have. Send out a tweet. There's just so many things you can do with this thing, and the capabilities. Like, it's meant for everything. You can do anything with it. It's awesome. It's a great feature to have if you're a streamer or a content creator. Really recommend getting one if you haven't already. But then we'll go over here to the Go XLR. This is new. I'm gonna be honest with you guys right now. I'm only using it kind of just for I can control some volumes over here. That's what these are for. They're motorized. It's pretty cool. Real solid, nice piece of equipment. If you are really serious about your content, this comes with a voice changer, a recorder, and all your volumes that you can control. This is awesome. You have that sleight of hand right there. You can control everything right there. It's really nice to have. I'm gonna be honest though, I'm not gonna go too into depth about what this thing can do, just because I just got it a couple days ago and I still have not used it to its full potential. So there's a lot of investigating and learning I have to do with this guy. But yeah, right into the mic. This is by far, I did a lot of research on this microphone. I love this mic. Puts out a nice crisp sound. It's an XLR mic. One of the best mics you can buy, honestly. Very high-end mic. It's the Rode nt1. It's beautiful, bro. This mic is amazing. Puts out such a clear, crisp sound whenever you use it. It's amazing. It's amazing. And the Go XLR does help. And for those of you that don't know, XLR mic, you have to have a mixer for it to go through so that it can process everything. Like I said, I'm not the most technical guy. I don't know a whole lot about all this stuff. But you do need a mixer to have an XLR mic. Just keep that in mind. So if you guys are buying an XLR mic, you do need a mixer to go with it. Onto the keyboard, we've got the Logitech G610. This is a pretty cheap, I think I got this for $65, I do believe, $65 for this. Found it on Amazon, found a really good deal on it. It might be more expensive now, I'm not 100% sure. But this is nice. You can mess with, if you download the Logitech app, you can mess with the lighting on this thing. It's really nice. Mechanical keyboard, does the job. I love it. Clean, basic, exactly what I want. We'll hop right over here to the mouse. Got the Logitech G703. This thing is nice. It's wireless. You just gotta charge it every now and then. And for those of you streamers that know exactly what I'm talking about, we can get lazy and forget to charge our stuff. So just remember to plug it in. But this thing's nice. You can add some weights to it, I believe. Yeah, right here. You can add some weights to it, that kind of stuff, if you want to. Here we'll jump over to the headset. This is a Logitech G933. I did try to switch almost everything I have over to wireless, other than my keyboard. My mouse is wireless. I have it plugged in charging right now, as you guys can see. I have the mouse wireless, and I also have the headset wireless, only because I like to get up in my streams. You guys see me get up. I like to move around. I can't really sit still for very long. So yeah, we've got that. I gotta check the price on this again. I don't remember how much it was. I want to say around 100. I'm not sure though. And then we got the Crosshair. This is literally just because I wanted a stand. I spent money on this stand just because I like the lights and I need somewhere to put my headset. So this stand, I forget how much this goes for too. I'm gonna have to check it out. But I'll get the prices on both of those and I'll put them in there. But yeah, I mean, that's literally, this is just style points. This headset stand, but I love it. I love it. It's a good little vibe to the whole setup I've got here with the multiple colors I've got going with the Go XLR. I need a color scheme. I need you guys in the comments though to tell me a color scheme I should go with. I need to get a color scheme going. I've got everything just kind of mixed up right now. Honestly, I don't really have a color scheme going. So let me know down below what color scheme I should go with. I'm gonna try and get one going here. Talk about the PC for a second. This PC cost me about $1,200. Comes with an i5 processor. I've got the 2060 GeForce RTX. Nice little graphics card. It's a little outdated. I do need to do some work on the processor. I need to replace that ASAP. But yeah, it's doing the job for now. I do need to upgrade it here soon though. But yeah, it's been doing great. And then over here I've got my Mac. This is for like editing on the go, simple stuff like that when I need to do things on the go. It's really its main purpose, honestly. I just bought it. That was about $1,200 as well. Yeah, man. But yeah, there's $2,400 right there. That computer and this computer. So does it for the tour, for my setup, whatever you want to call it. Appreciate you guys watching. Like I told you, it wasn't anything special, but I did want to get a video out there because I haven't really done a video on it yet since I've been adding a whole bunch of new stuff, putting a lot of money into it. So yeah, so the next upgrade we got to do is get myself a bed stand back here, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Come on, help me out. Help me out, chat. Help me out. All right, well, appreciate you guys watching, man, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all.